Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Pycharm in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it, select programs and select programs and features. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having the Pycharm over here. Right click and select uninstall. Click on yes. And here is the important thing, it will ask us the caches and settings also. Make sure that you are checking both of these and select uninstall. This will take some time, so just be patient till then. So once it is completed, you will be having this and you can click on close, and after that Pycharm won't be available in the programs. Now we need to also delete the Pycharm projects that we have created. So for that, go to local disk C, users, your username, and if you scroll down over here we'll be having Pycharm projects. You can just delete this also, and that's it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.